This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
I am on location today with Stacy at O'Brien Service Company, a locally owned and operated business since 1981, and we are talking about hybrid water heaters. Stacy, what is a hybrid water heater?
So a hybrid water heater is a standard water heater with a heat pump on the top that takes the heat around it and puts it into the water. Similar to your home air conditioning system, only instead of heating your air, it heats your water.
That sounds efficient.
It is very efficient. It has scheduling features similar to your home air conditioning system, only you're controlling your hot water heater. Efficiency-wise, standard heat pump water heaters are about $121 to run per year, compared to a regular water heater, which is around $500 a year.
Wow. Now, are there any rebates available?
There are. Duke Energy Progress has a $500 rebate, and there's also a federal government rebate or a tax credit for 30% of the project or up to $2,000.
Now, how can someone get a hybrid water heater installed?
So they could just give us a call or visit us online. Plus, we're also offering a free Plumbing Home Care Club membership for 1 year with every hybrid install.
And what is the Plumbing Care Club?
So the Plumbing Care Club is where a plumber comes out and gives an assessment of the plumbing in your home or your business. We also give priority service and discounts for any repairs needed.
And again, it starts with that free assessment with a hybrid water heater install. So call today or go online to o'brienservice.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.